Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2006 and 2007 Honda Civics houses fuses that control key interior electrical components, such as the power windows, door locks, interior lights, and audio system. It includes both standard blade fuses and micro fuses. The fuse layout and amperage are labeled for easy identification and replacement. This system helps protect circuits from electrical overload. The 2008 Honda Civic passenger compartment fuse box manages electrical circuits for interior functions like the dashboard, power mirrors, accessory power sockets, and audio components. It uses a combination of mini and micro blade fuses. Each fuse is rated for specific amperage to prevent circuit damage. The box includes a diagram for quick identification and maintenance. The 2009 Honda Civic petrol models passenger compartment fuse box controls circuits for interior electronics such as the power windows, audio system, and lighting. It uses mini blade fuses with clearly labeled positions for troubleshooting and replacement. In 2009 Honda Civic diesel models, the passenger compartment fuse box supports interior electrical systems like climate control, instrument panel, and central locking. It contains mini blade fuses with labeled slots for easy identification and circuit protection. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2010 and 2011, Honda Civics controls key interior functions such as the audio system, interior lights, and power accessories. It features mini blade fuses with labeled layouts for straightforward diagnostics and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2006 Honda Civic engine compartment fuse box manages essential systems like the engine control unit, headlights, ABS, and cooling fans. It uses a combination of blade fuses and relays to protect high current circuits. Each fuse is clearly marked for easy servicing. In 2007 to 2008 and 2010 to 2011, Honda Civics, the engine compartment fuse box protects vital systems such as the ECU, ignition, fuel pump, and radiator fan. It includes high amperage blade fuses and relays, organized for efficient circuit protection and easy identification. The 2009 Honda Civic petrol model's engine compartment fuse box controls critical systems like the ignition, engine management, headlights, and ABS. It contains high-capacity blade fuses and relays designed for reliable circuit protection and serviceability. In 2009 Honda Civic diesel models, the engine compartment fuse box supports systems such as the glow plugs, ECU, fuel system, and cooling fan. It uses high amperage blade fuses and relays to ensure stable operation and circuit protection. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.